now that we have learned flash fill, we are going to now discuss about sorting data. So the sorting of data means to arrange data that may be in text form, that is it contains letters, and a numeric, that is having numbers, or alphanumeric, that means both containing letters and numbers in a specified order, is known as sorting data. Alright, you have to select a range of cell containing data that may be names or maybe numbers. Okay, and you have to click on them and you want to arrange them in a order specified by you. So these type of arranging of data is known as sorting of data. So we are going to discuss about one column sorting. So for understanding this, just look at the example given here. Here is just an example of data in a worksheet. We have first column containing employee number, second column containing employee name, third column containing designation, and fourth column containing their salary. Alright, these are the data that have been given in your worksheet. So to edit this, after that, now you have to select the cell to which you want to apply this sorting technique, alright, in which you want to arrange them according to your manner given. So for example, if you don't specify any order such as custom sort, that we'll be discussing later on. Okay, so suppose if you select this particular column, you drag it, and there are two steps for sorting a particular cell in MS Excel. Alright, so the first step would be you have to click on the home tab that is on your top left hand side of the MS Excel spreadsheet. Alright, after clicking that, you have to click on the editing option, and after clicking on editing option, you have to select sort and filter button. A list of command will be appearing. After that you have to click on sort smallest to largest for ascending order sort. That means if you want to arrange the name of the employees in ascending order, that is from A to Z, if you want to arrange them the way in which the letters are coming first. So for example, the first letter, that is A, would appear here. So this Abbas Khanna, this name would appear first if you have sorted this particular column containing employee name. But in our given example, this data, this particular column of salary has been selected, and this has been sorted according to ascending to descending order. That means it automatically recognizes this is a number containing data, and so you have after selecting this particular column, you have to click on ascending order, and the numbers which come first will appear in the first column. That means the number that are smaller. For example, here you can see the number which are smaller, that is 32,000 followed by 38, so on up till 70,000. The list was this in a haphazard manner. They were not sorted, or they were not arranged accordingly their order of occurrence in ascending or descending order. This was a given example for ascending order. If you want, you can select the descending option, and the numbers which are coming last would come first. That is, the list would start from 70,000 and go on till 32,000. The only thing is the next number would be 68, 58 followed by 55 till 32. This list from top to bottom will occur from last to first if you had selected descending order option. Alright, this is an example for one column sorting. See, there are 4 different type of data given. Alright, these data are, the first one is containing only numbers, the second one is containing names, that is your alphabets, the third one is also containing alphabet, but it is a group of alphabets, and the first one is containing both alphabet and numbers. These type of data which contains alphabet and number is known as your alphanumeric data. So if instead of selecting salary, if you had to select any one column or entire column, you can do that, and the list will be sorted as per your order, such that you want them in ascending and descending order. Now, why only in ascending and descending order? Because these two type of sorting techniques are again already stored in your MS Excel. Now there is a unique feature in this, that is custom sort. So the option for custom sort is not given, but still I am discussing. As it is not given, so I'm just discussing in a very small way. All right, okay. So custom list or custom sort is a technique in which you can sort the data accordingly. So for example, instead of arranging them in ascending or descending order, you could have written that sort them in such a way that the numbers which are starting containing 3 would appear first. That means that if there are 5 numbers, say 100, 200, 300 and 3, and you had used custom sort, and you have given the condition that those numbers that are having their first letter as 3 would come first. So instead of going in ascending manner, says there is also 1000, there is in 100, there is a 230. So the numbers which is greater, first criteria would be checking of first number that is having 3 or not. First place of the number should be 3, followed by their. Now if there are two different numbers that contain 3, among those two numbers, the number which is greater, say for example there is 300 and there is 3000, so so the number which is coming first, that is 3000, is greater than 300. 3000 would come first and 300 would come second place. All right, so these are the technique you can use, or these are the type of entries or condition you can have if you are selecting custom sort. All right, you can check these options out here. See, you can automatically select you want the data to be sorted in ascending or descending order, and also there is an option for custom list.